This road that you are seeing is not an ordinary road. Beneath its smooth surface lies a hidden danger. Roads in the USA are toxic. That's a bold statement, I know, but it's a reality for many highways across the country. Many highways across the USA, including stretches of Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania, are built with steel slag, a byproduct of steel production. While touted as a sustainable and cost-effective alternative, steel slag can contain significant levels of arsenic, a known carcinogen. This toxic element can leach into the surrounding soil and groundwater, contaminating drinking water sources for nearby communities. In 2018, a study conducted by the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation revealed alarming findings on a 320-mile stretch of Interstate 80 built with steel slag. Arsenic levels in the groundwater beneath the highway were found to be as high as 100 times the safe drinking water standard. This means that the water potentially consumed by residents living near these highways could pose serious health risks, including an increased risk of cancer, heart disease, and developmental issues. That's a terrifying thought, considering millions of people live near these roads. This isn't an isolated incident. Route 53 in Illinois and even stretches of National Highway 1 in India face similar challenges. Even in India, on National Highway 1, they use this stuff. Around 1,500-mile-long stretch of National Highway 1 in India was built with steel slag. In 2018, a study by the Indian Institute of Technology Madras found that arsenic levels in the groundwater beneath the highway were as high as 100 times the safe drinking water standard. Steel slag, a byproduct of steel making, might sound harmless, but this industrial waste can contain high levels of arsenic, a potent poison. Companies like POSCO promote steel slag as a sustainable and cost-effective road-building material. They claim it can reduce waste by a whopping 90%. While this sounds appealing, the reality is more complex and dangerous if these slags are not treated properly. When used in roads, this arsenic can leach into the surrounding soil and groundwater, contaminating our drinking water supplies. Studies have revealed alarming cases where arsenic levels near steel slag roads were as high as 100 times the safe drinking water standard. While steel slag offers some potential benefits, such as recycling industrial waste, the risks to human health and the environment are undeniable. The long-term consequences of arsenic contamination could have a significant impact on the well-being of entire communities. The good news is that both the US and India are starting to take action. There are increasing calls for stricter regulations on the use of steel slag in road construction. Research is ongoing to develop safer alternatives and better methods for treating steel slag to remove arsenic. We need strict regulations on the use of steel slag in road construction. The government should impose stricter environmental standards and testing protocols to ensure the safety of our roads and the health of our communities. Only then can we truly have more sustainable and safer transportation infrastructure. We need to demand a future where our roads are not only efficient, but also environmentally sound and free from hidden dangers.